So, padrino y madrina tienen una sorpresa allá esperándonos. Especialmente ustedes se lo van a gozar. Guess what?
What?
¿Qué? Guess what?
¿Qué? I don't know.
Tío Jafe y Titi Marjorie just bought a boat.
A boat?
Yes. To go to the beach and go fishing with Tío Jafe.
Like a real boat? Like a yacht?
It's a boat.
Like a big one? Like a yacht?
Well, it's big enough to feed a good amount of people.
Oh my god.
We can go all as a family and go hang out. Go hang out at the beach. What do you think?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, they order it and it's coming in maybe in a month. So we'll
That's when we're leaving.
Yeah, exactly. They're very excited. We're very happy for
Papi,
them.
but